Alright guys, got a single package, bought off Amazon, took a while to ship, came from China, and just try to open it correctly so I don't slash it. And let's check this out. So it's from a brand that you've seen before, Jack's FSTK. If I ever release the video I shot, I'll tell you that this was my favorite brand for value last year. So this should be more exotic one. So extra large. They sent me the wrong one. Look at that. So it's the booty style. Has a distinctive smell to it. I think the package is in chemicals. Yeah, I didn't think I ordered an extra large, but I have to double check that. I think I normally buy a large. Sometimes the sizing is off with these China-based brands. You have to read the instructions, so I have to go back and look. But it's just a sheer material, almost see-through. It looks like it's lace, but it's not. It's like this, I think it's just a pattern. But it is very thin. Bulge pouch. Generous pouch on this one. And it is 85% nylon and 85% nylon and 15% spandex. Probably can't see that. So these ones are super comfortable. They're not very expensive at all. If we're just getting into this style of underwear, then this is a good brand to start with because they're not much money, kind of fun, and if you don't like it, then you didn't lose too much money. Okay, so just to follow up, I did go back and look at my order, and I did hit extra large, and their sizing for extra large is a waistline of 31.5 inches to all the way up to 37.9. So to me that falls into like a medium category. That's a huge range. So the way it looks, it probably will fit. It'll be a little bit loose. Probably could have gotten away with a large, perhaps, but according to the website, 31.5 inch waist can wear this and above. So with that, if you'd like to see this worn, I don't think I can really show it on YouTube because it's kind of see-through. But check out my other sites. OnlyFans is the main site that I do these types of try-ons in more detail. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, leave a like. Thanks.